We're here to share 5 things successful leaders do to build their online business. When we think of leaders and strong leaders, we think of soaring eagles. So we thought, what better place to go than Brackendale, British Columbia, which is home of one of North America's greatest gatherings of wintering bald eagles. A couple of years ago, we decided that there had to be more to life than working hard and trading time for money. We were on a treadmill. We felt trapped and discouraged. And funny, working harder didn't seem to make a difference to our lifestyle.
We knew we had to make a change. It was important for our health, for our relationship, and for our family. We took a leap into the unknown world. We started an online business, and we found Six Figure Mentors, a community of educated online marketers. Here are 5 disciplines and habits that Six Figure Mentors have created, and they believe these are the habits that successful leaders do every day.
The first leadership habit is visualization. Whenever we start a new skill, it can be challenging, and this is no exception. The ability to visualize what your ideal life looks like provides a foundation for when the going gets tough and you need to break through some barriers and the learning curve is steep. It's a motivator to keep you moving forward.
Doing income-producing activities is often those activities that puts us outside of our comfort zone. So we end up doing paperwork or we hide under the busy stuff. But the real discipline and the real thing that separates businesses from being successful and not is getting those revenue-producing activities in motion.
And I'm just going to add to what you said, because income-producing activities is so key to success, that we like to think that it's those income-producing activities that scare us the most. And so we encourage you to do something that scares you every day, because you almost are guaranteed that you're moving forward. Number 3 is invest in yourself. Take the time to learn and grow. Over 90% of what we say is nonverbal. And I can tell you, the camera doesn't lie. So when you think of it, only 7%, around 7% is what we say. So taking the time to invest in yourself and grow helps to ensure that everything is in alignment.
Number 4 is Mastermind with leaders. Learning from others is an excellent way to avoid making the same mistake. At Six Figure Mentors, we have a community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are all at different stages in their journey, and they'll all be there to help you along yours.
The 5th habit to becoming a successful online entrepreneur is learn, do, teach. You may get into this business and think, oh, it's all about making money. And that's fine at first. But really successful online entrepreneurs want to give back to others. And Six Figure Mentors has a pathway for you to do just that in your own unique way when the time is right.
So take the time to watch these 7 free videos. It's these same videos that changed our life. We're learning something new every day, and we've been given the opportunity to follow our dreams that we thought had been lost. Take some time to visualize what your ideal life looks like. Understand the power of visualization. Soar with eagles, and SFM will help you get there.
To be very clear, this is not for everybody. This journey takes time, dedication, and a willingness to get way outside your comfort zone. We encourage you to take the leap, but it has to be right for you. We hope to join you on your online journey.